Basri, you can, yeah, okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What is it? Okay. Now, today we are going to talk about the discussion section of journal article. Yeah, can you see my PowerPoints? Yeah.
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, so we are writing the discussion section of research articles. Yeah. So this is, I think, the second most important section in research article, and also yeah, one of the most difficult section to write. Yeah, because we have to argue very strongly in this section. So in academic writing, when we have to argue, yeah, we have to use references. Yeah, we have to support our claim. So when we argue something, we have to address our claims, our opinion, our idea, and then we have to support it with references. Yeah, relevant references. Yeah, without that supporting references, our claim is not convincing. Yeah, so readers will not believe it. Whatever we say. Yeah. So in the discussion section, yeah, we uh, address again, yeah, the finding of our research. In the result section, we just present, yeah, the results, yeah, in an easy way to understand, yeah, such as by using tables, yeah, by using charts and examples, yeah, and also explanation, of course, yeah. So you cannot just present a table without explanation. You cannot just present chart without explanation. You have to explain. You cannot just present examples, yeah, of your data without explanation. So explanation in result section of the article is very important too. Yeah? For example, if you present a table, yeah, don't think that readers will understand by your table, yeah, without explanation. Yeah, so you have to explain it because readers don't know what is or what are the important points, yeah, in your table. Yeah. So you have to explain it. And also in when presenting example, you have to explain why is it a good example of your finding. Yeah. Okay. And then this is after the result section, yeah, which is called discussion. In some journals, they combine the result and discussion section. Yeah, so they don't separate it. Yeah. So we have to follow the guidelines of the journals. Yeah. Or we can also see the example of published articles in the journals. Yeah. Whether or not the result and discussion section is combined in one place. So the heading of the section is result and discussion. If it is separated, so the heading becomes results and then discussion. Even if you have to combine the result and discussion, yeah, you have to discuss, yeah, your result. Yeah, and result with discussion, it will be finding. Yeah, so result is in terms of table, example, chart, figures, and yeah, whatever finding, yeah, maybe, yeah, a statement from the respondents, yeah, or statistic analysis result. So that is the result, yeah. which you have to explain, you have to uh, discuss, yeah. But you don't need to use references, yeah, in the discussion, because you are not arguing for the result, yeah. In the result section, you are only presenting the summary of the data, yeah. But in the discussion, you have to argue, yeah, argue strongly, yeah, because this is where you show your findings, your interesting finding, yeah, of your research, and what is often called a novelty, yeah. Novelty is something new, the new information, yeah. New information is the information which is not found in the literature yet, not found in the reference yet. Yeah. So in the introduction section, there is a statement called research gap. Yeah. Okay. We have studied this. Yeah. In the end of the research gap. Yeah. Before the research question. So research gap is the information which is not found in the literature, or the research result which is not found in the literature yet. Yeah, that is a gap. Yeah, no information about it, or lack information. Yeah, lack of information about it. And then in the discussion section, you show, yeah, what is lack, what is not found in the literature, yeah, and you fill in the gaps with your findings. Okay, so after reading your discussion, readers know something new. Readers know something different, yeah, uh, from the literature they have read. Okay, so if they don't find something new from after reading your discussion, so they will not get anything, yeah, from your research. So that is the danger of, yeah, repeating, yeah, what somebody else has done. Yeah. So we have to avoid, yeah, doing the same research as other people have done, and that is the literature review for, yeah, to make sure that our research is different from the studies by other researchers, okay, already published, yeah, in journals, yeah, or in books, okay. So that is the discussion section, yeah, which is also very important. I think I have shared this book with you, in Bahasa Indonesia, in Indonesian. Okay, this is about the discussion. So why is discussion section important? Yeah, number one, in this section, writers show the knowledge contribution. So your contribution to the available knowledge, yeah, from your research finding to the readers, yeah, to the audience. This is also where the writers explain why their research findings are in the ways they are, and what they mean. Yeah. So why you find something? Yeah. For example, yeah, you investigate it. Yeah. Why most students are afraid of making mistakes in speaking English in the classroom, and then you found that, yeah, they are afraid of making mistakes. Yeah. They are afraid of getting lower marks, for example. Yeah, from the teachers. Yeah, they are afraid of being ashamed. Yeah, in front of their friends in the classroom. Okay, so that is your result, or your funding, and you have to discuss this. Yeah, why? Why are they afraid of making mistake? Why are they afraid of getting lower marks from the teachers? Why are they afraid of being ashamed, yeah, in front of their friends? Yeah. So although the answer is just a possibility, yeah, or this may be because this can be because, this is probably because, yeah, it is okay. Yeah, the answer is not an exact answer. Yeah, it is only a possibility. Yeah, so to convince readers that your uh, guess, yeah, your possible answers is not just a wild guess. It's not just your idea, your opinion only. So you have to support your opinion, yeah, with relevant references. So it is not only your idea, not only your opinion. Yeah, it is also the idea of other authors. Okay, yeah. So it becomes stronger. Your argument is becoming stronger. Second, research article authors must summarize and interpret their research finding. Yeah, you have to interpret. You have to give your own interpretation of your finding, and the place to do so is in the discussion section by commenting on every issue in the research question. So you have to refer one by one to your research question in the discussion section. Yeah. If you have three research question, so you have to deal with each of the three research question. Yeah, I'll show you how, yeah, to deal with it. Number three, however, according to Parkinson, most student writers find it very hard to write the research article discussion section because it involves complex causal, conditional, and purposive argument. Yeah, this argument guides the reader from acceptance of the relatively, yeah, uncontroversial data to acceptance of the writer's knowledge claim. Yeah. So here we have to convince readers, yeah, so that they can accept, yeah, our findings and they can trust our findings. So we expect, or we hope, yeah, after reading our article, especially after reading our discussion section, readers, yeah, are interested in our finding and they want to cite, yeah, our findings for their own work. Yeah. So the most possible part of the article to be cited by other author is the discussion section, yeah, where they cite, yeah, where they refer to our findings, yeah, for their when they write their own articles, yeah, when they write article in the related field, yeah, as our articles. The discussion section is the most difficult section to write and yet the most important. Okay? How you write this section can determine your article's rejection or acceptance. Yeah? Even, yeah, you have a great data, your article can get rejected for poor or incorrect interpretation. So the discussion section, yeah, also determine whether our manuscript is accepted, yeah, by journal managers or editors to be published, yeah, in their journals, or they will reject it. Yeah, if our argument in the discussion section is not strong enough, yeah, or we just, for example, mention our findings, yeah, without using a strong argument, without using relevant references to support our finding or to discuss our findings, yeah, the readers or the journal editors or reviewers, yeah, will think it is not convincing and it is not interesting and it is not important. Yeah, so they will reject, yeah, our manuscript, yeah, our article draft. Structuring your discussion around your argument will best enable readers to understand, yeah, to understand the significance of your study for their own research and the field. Yeah. So if they understand our findings and like it, yeah, they will possibly cite, yeah, our works. Okay. For lecturers, yeah, for teachers and researchers, citation is very important. Yeah, the quality of a lecturer or a researcher will be determined by how much, yeah, how much citation they have. Yeah, um, so if they have a lot of citation or high, if they have a high citation index, so uh, we can conclude that that person is productive, and also this person contribute to the field, to the literature. Yeah, and some authors can be ranked, yeah, based on the citation index, based on their citation index. Okay, so this is the a pattern, yeah, of uh, discussion section. Okay, the pattern of discussion section. In move one, that is the uh okay. Move one is background information. Yeah. Move one is background information, which is a statement about the theoretical and technical information as already addressed earlier. So the purpose is to remind reader what the research intends to discover. The function is to link what the research intends to discover and the result. So I usually uh, restate, yeah, readdress my research question at the beginning of the discussion section. Yeah, I rewrite my first research question. Yeah, in move one. Yeah, in move one. So this is the example here. The first question in this research was how the method section of Indonesian research articles written by Indonesian speakers in social sciences and humanities is structured in terms of its communicative units or moves. Yeah, so this my move one. Yeah, example. This is my move one. Yeah, that is the statement of the purpose of the research. Okay, so you are required, you are expected to remind readers, yeah, on your first research question and write it again in your discussion section. And the second move is a statement of result. Okay, after stating the questions, yeah, so you give the answers. Yeah, so this is the example. Yeah, analysis of the result has revealed some interesting findings. Yeah, first and foremost, apart from the moves, steps, and sub-steps included in Lim's model, we have observed that both groups express their goals to a varying or degree. Another observation is that each group seems to have their own overall rhetorical organization, yeah, although they contain move steps and sub-steps serving similar function, if not the same one. So this is the result, statement of result. So after restating research question or research objective, then give, yeah, state the result, yeah, which is the answer, yeah, to the research question. Okay, not like in the result. In the result, yeah, we address this in details, but in the discussion this only a simple one. Yeah, the the direct answers to the research question. Okay, and then move three is statement of unexpected findings. Yeah, it is not compulsory. The statement of or comment on whether or not the research result or findings are as they are expected, yeah, it can be written here, yeah, as a move three. Yeah, this is the example. Contrary to the hypothesis, the data analysis shows that. So it means, yeah, the result is not expected. It's not as it is expected. Yeah, and therefore the authors use the word, the phrase contrary, or as predicted, this study found that, okay. So it depends on the finding, whether the finding is as expected or not, or contrary to the hypothesis, the uh, assumption, okay. It is not it's not compulsory, it is optional. If you don't write this, it doesn't matter, and then number four, reference to previous relevant studies, so here there are two ways, of referring to previous relevant studies. Number one, uh, by citing uh, references to support your finding, your interpretation on your finding. Yeah. So you have to use references. Yeah. To support uh, uh, your claim. Yeah. About your findings. Yeah. Or your interpretation about your finding. Yeah. You need reference. Yeah, to be convincing. Number two, you can compare your finding with the findings of other researchers, yeah, already published, in books or in articles. Yeah. Okay, so there are two ways, two functions of literature here or references here. Number one is to support your claims or about the interpretation or reasons, of your findings. And number two, uh, comparing, when you compare your finding with the findings of other researchers, you need to use reference to. Okay, in this example, the differences between rhetorical structure of the method section in Indonesian research article and in their English counterpart, especially on several subsequent segment or step almost 7 and step 3, as discussed above, add to their previous finding. Yeah. So the authors mentioned that their findings uh, is is similar, to the finding of previous studies, such as Mirahayuni, Safnir, and Adnan. These researchers found that there are differences between rhetorical structure of introduction section in Indonesian research article and those in English research article, especially in the ways the research article writers justify the importance of their research project, reported in the research article. Yeah, you see here the authors cite references in the discussion section, which is in move 4. Yeah, in move 4. So move 4, needs references. Yeah. Move 1 doesn't need reference. Move 2 doesn't need reference. Move 3 also doesn't need reference. Yeah. But move 4, we need references. Okay. Move 5, a rhetorical attempt by the author to logically convince the reader why an unexpected or extraordinary result or findings of the present study occurs. Okay. So this is a rhetorical attempt, to convince readers, uh, on our findings, or our result, research result. Yeah. By convincing, it means, we have to use our references. So this is the example. As also indicated above, many resource and linguistic markers found in the method section of Indonesian research article in the corpus of the study helped readers identify the moves and steps. Now, this is because, so this interpretation, this is because the discourse and linguistic clues or markers are often used by writers to signal the communicative units, in the research article. So one reference. Yeah. This may confirm Swales and Fick's 1994 comment, that the method section of research article is merely labeled, rather than characterized. Okay, so this is another reference. In other words, the method section of research article is written in a more straightforward way, yeah, with a little necessity for rhetorical style or effort from the writers compared to other section of the research article, particularly introduction and discussion section. So, okay, so here this is move five, yeah, which is uh, a discussion or a logical statement, yeah, to convince readers, yeah, about our findings. Yeah. Move four and move five. Yeah. Authors in move four and move five, authors have to use references because authors must argue strongly, yeah, to convince readers about the research findings. Yeah. Then move six, yeah, which is illustration to support the research result, illustration or sample. Yeah. So it is only when it is necessary. Yeah. If you think that it is not difficult enough to discuss your finding, to understand your finding, you don't need this. Yeah. You don't need to illustrate. Yeah. Because in the result section, you have given the examples of your result, research result. Yeah, this is only when you think it is complicated, yeah, to understand. Yeah, and then you need to give uh, another illustration or samples of your data. Yeah, what you mean, yeah, by your finding. Okay. Okay, so this is the rhetorical structure or rhetorical pattern of discussion section of research article, yeah, which is an important section in research article because this is where authors show the contribution of the research to the available knowledge, yeah, in the literature. Okay, so as I mentioned before, it is expected that after reading the discussion section of our articles, yeah, readers will know something new, yeah, will get something new, yeah, will know something that they didn't know before. Yeah, so that is the purpose of our discussion section. Okay, so before
Okay.
we look at the
Sorry, Prof.
example in the article, is there any question?
Sorry, Prof. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
please.
I am a bit confused between move 5 and move 6. Can you explain it again,
Okay,
please?
move
Please,
move
sorry. 5 and
move
6.
five and six,
Yes, yes, yes.
is it right? Move five and six. Okay, yeah,
Correct, correct, Prof.
let's see it again here. Move five is explanation of research result. So I usually put this before move four. Yeah. So I write move five first and then move four. Okay. In move four, we compare our findings with the findings of other researchers. Yeah. In move five, yeah, we don't compare, but we give our opinion, yeah, our interpretation about our finding. Yeah. So the example of this statement is this is because. Okay, here, yeah, this is because the linguistic clause. This is only possibility. Yeah, it's only the possibility because this is our interpretation. Yeah, uh, about our result. So we have to give our opinion about our result. We cannot just state our result and then, yeah, without explanation, without interpretation. What it means? Yeah, what does it mean? Okay, we look at it in the real article later. Yeah. Yeah. So the move five is the interpretation of our result. Yeah. And since we have to give our opinion about our result, yeah, we have to uh, cite references, yeah, to support, yeah, our opinion, yeah, our idea, our explanation. Okay, so otherwise it will not be convincing. Okay, so move 4, we compare our finding with the result of other researchers. In move 5, we don't compare, yeah, but we give our own opinion about it, our own interpretation about our findings. Yeah? So that is the difference. Yeah, the similarity is in move 4 and 5, we use reference, yeah, to support our opinion, our idea. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Prof. Thank you. I got it.
Okay, is there
It's
any
quite
other
quite
question?
similar and a bit different.
Yeah. Okay. Any
Thank
other
you.
question? Is it clear enough how to write, yeah, your discussion section? So this is a difficult part of article to write. Yeah. Not only part of article, you have to write the same thing for your thesis. Yeah. After showing your result, yeah, you have to discuss one by one.
Yes, Prof. Also, I'm not sure that whether I understand correctly. Can you
Yeah.
explain what is the difference between thesis and research
An article.
article? Because there are
Yeah.
similarities. Like from what
Yes.
I know,
Yes.
that
Yeah.
only the pages that are
Yeah.
listed, and the rest I'm not sure
Longer.
about.
Yeah. Thesis is much longer than articles. Yeah. Article is for social sciences and humanities. Usually, article is only 6,000 words or 7,000 words long. Uh, Thesis, yeah, maybe, yeah, I don't know, 30,000. Yeah. Article is only 20 pages, for example, and thesis is maybe more than 100 pages. Yeah. Yeah. So only the length is different. Mm. And there are other small differences like uh, in chapter 2 of your thesis, yeah, uh, you have to show your examiners, your supervisors, that you know much about, yeah, what you are going to research, yeah, the relevant theory, yeah, uh, under your thesis title, yeah, you have read them, you have put them in your chapter 2. Yeah, so if you know much about your research title or topic, yeah, of course you write, yeah, enough pages, yeah, for your chapter 2. Yeah, and of course they must be relevant. Yeah, yeah, don't put irrelevant materials in your thesis. Okay. Yeah, because this is academic text, this academic writing. So academic text must be efficient. Yeah, it avoids redundancy, avoids wordy, yeah, or repetition. So you cannot repeat something only to add more pages to your thesis. Yeah, or my thesis is less than 100 pages, so I have to write more. Yeah, more pages, yeah, to meet the requirement, yeah, at least 100 pages, yeah, but you just repeat, yeah. For example, you have written something in chapter 2 and then you repeat it in chapter 3, yeah, or you have written something in chapter 1 and then you repeat it in chapter 2, so it must be avoided. Yeah. It shows inefficiency. Yeah. So you cannot do that. Yeah. It must be uh, efficient. It must be uh, free from, yeah, redundancy. Yeah. Okay. Is there Any other question? Article and thesis are similar, yeah, but they have minor differences, yeah, because they have different purposes. Yeah. Articles is to share our findings, research findings, yeah, with others, yeah, and the readers are expert, okay, expert, like journal editors, journal reviewers, yeah, they are expert. So you cannot, you don't have to write, you cannot write long, yeah, which is not efficient, yeah, for expert, because they know it already. For example, yeah, if you think you have some uh, important or key terms, yeah, you don't have to define the key terms. If you think, yeah, your expert readers, yeah, know it already. Yeah. So don't define any important words. Now, while in thesis, you have to define the important or key words. Yeah, you use in the title. Yeah. What is it for? This is uh, for examiners or supervisors. Yeah, to make sure that you understand what the title means. Yeah. So it is important, but in the article, yeah, it is not important. Yeah, don't define key terms. Yeah, because your articles will not be read, yeah, by students. Yeah, your articles will be read by expert in the field. Okay, before it can be accepted for publication. Okay, more question? Yeah, there are six moves. Yeah, there are six moves in the discussion section. Yeah, some people say there are eight moves. Yeah, the seven and eight moves can be put under the heading of conclusion and suggestion. Okay, so if we look at here, if we look at in here, yeah, in the rhetorical patterns, yeah, yeah, I see here move seven, yeah, deduction, and move eight is suggestion. So deduction means conclusion. Yeah. Authors claim about the interpretation of the research finding to a larger scope of topic, yeah, or area. Author moves eight, author suggestion on the application or implementation of the research findings in practical ways, yeah, and or uh, suggestion for further studies. Yeah, suggestion for further studies. Yeah. Now, if the journals format, yeah, uh, the guidelines, yeah, according to the guidelines, if in the journals, move seven and eight must be written under the heading of discussion. Yeah, you put it in the discussion. But if not, yeah, you can write this move seven and eight in the conclusion heading. Yeah, conclusion section. Okay, so you only I usually write, yeah, move one, two, yeah, four, five, and six. Yeah, six is not compulsory one. Yeah, uh, I rarely write move six in the discussion section. So move one, move two, four, and five. Yeah, these are what I usually write. Yeah, as I mentioned before, I usually write move five first and then move four. Yeah. In the rhetorical structure, there is a term called recurrence. Yeah, recur means you write it again. Yeah, or you give your interpretation. Yeah, after comparing your finding, yeah, with the findings of other authors. Yeah. Okay. Any question?
Thank you, Prof. Sorry, one more question. This
Yeah.
regarding to my question previously. So it's mean that all the moves and steps that you have been teaching us from chapter 1 to 5, we can use same as in thesis, right? In research article and thesis, they have the same
You
moves.
mean the same move? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
You are expected to use move 1, 2, 4, and 5. Yeah. For each research question. Yeah. If you have two research questions, of course, you have at least two findings. And then you have
okay.
to discuss each finding. And how to discuss each finding? You follow the move. Yeah. You restate your research question, number one, and then you address your research results. Number one, yeah, the first research result, and then you interpret. You give your own your interpretation on the results, yeah, by and then supporting it, yeah, with references, and then you compare your findings with the findings of other researchers, yeah, especially for move one, for research question number one. And then when you finish doing this, you refer to your research second research question. Yeah, you restate, yeah, your second research question, and then you address the second research result, and then you give your interpretation about the second research result, and then support it with references, and then compare the findings, yeah, the second findings with the findings of others, and then yeah, give your explanation or interpretation. So the discussion section depends very much on your research question. So if you have three research questions, so you have three groups or three paragraphs, or maybe uh, three paragraphs of discussion or more, yeah, or more, yeah. You may separate, yeah, move one and move two, yeah. You combine move one and move two in one paragraph, and then you combine move 4 and 5 in one paragraph. So for each research question, you have two paragraphs in the discussion. Yeah, and then if you have three research question, so you have at least 6 paragraphs, yeah, in your discussion section. Okay, is it clear enough?
Yes, Prof. Thank you.
I'm thinking of, yeah, what kind of assignment, yeah, uh, to be done at the end of this workshop. Since this is our seventh meeting, yeah, this is our seventh meeting. Ideally, yeah, I want you to write, yeah, an article, yeah. Ideally, yeah, you have to write an article to show that, yeah, how much you understand the analysis of uh, every section of the research articles, okay, and how can you reproduce, yeah, the articles, yeah, following the move and steps. Yeah. You can do that, yeah, by revising your all articles. Yeah, you can also do that. So if you have written an articles from your undergraduate program, for example, yeah, maybe it has been published, yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah. So you can revise it, yeah, into a better articles, yeah, by applying your knowledge about move and steps, yeah, and also title, yeah, the title types, and then give it to me, yeah, submit it to me. As I mentioned before, I use genre-based approach, yeah, in this workshop. So genre-based approach consists of three steps. Yeah, step one is understanding move and steps of each section, yeah, of the articles. Yeah, understanding. Okay. Number two, by understanding, yeah, you have to show me that you can analyze an articles, yeah, uh, on the moves and step. Yeah, we have done this, yeah, in the class before. Yeah. And number two is to write together an article. Yeah. So you and me write an article together. Yeah. Uh, in the classroom. Yeah. But it is difficult to do. Yeah. Since we study through Zoom. Yeah. Online. Yeah. And the final activity or the final step is individual work. Yeah, every participant in the workshop or every student in the workshop must write an article, yeah, following the move and steps, yeah, uh, of each section. Okay, your abstract must contain five moves, for example. Yeah, your introduction must contain three moves. Your method must contain three moves. Your discussion section must contain how five, yeah, five or four moves, yeah, and then later your conclusion, yeah, must contain three moves. Okay, yeah, to show that you understand, yeah, the rhetorical structure, and then you can use the knowledge, yeah, to write your own articles. Yeah. So that is the steps, yeah, of genre-based approach. Okay. Yeah. Are you ready to write an article at the end of this workshop? You can write a new article. Yeah. Not just article, this research articles. Yeah, research article is an article written based on a research project. Yeah. And the format of the article is IMRDC. I introduction, M method, R results, D discussion, and C conclusion. Yeah. So this is after the title and abstract. Yeah. Introduction, IMRDC. Okay. Yeah. Please ask question. Yeah, to know if you understand or not.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sure. Please.
Um, since I haven't done any research yet, so
Mm-hmm.
is there any possibility to write the article?
Okay. You didn't do research for your undergraduate?
Yeah, not.
Okay. Can you do mini research? Mini research on any topic? Yeah. Or maybe it is part of a subject, an assignment uh, from a subject that you are doing now in this semester.
Okay. Do you mean what we call classroom, Alena?
Yeah,
Classroom,
any
mini
topic.
research for classroom. Yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah, mini research. Or if you have no idea, yeah, you can get some idea of doing mini research, yeah, from the rhetorical patterns that I have discussed. Yeah, for example, yeah, you analyze the uh, move and steps or move patterns of abstract, yeah, of articles published in a particular journal. You just analyze the abstract, yeah, or yeah, any abstract, abstract from seminar papers, yeah, you can analyze them. Yeah, just follow the format, yeah, IMRDC, introduction, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. Yeah. So we have studied introduction, what moves and steps should be written in introduction. Yeah. And then we have studied method. Yeah. And then we have studied discussion. Yeah. And later, yeah, next week, yeah, inshallah, we'll study the conclusion. Yeah, maybe during the last 2 weeks, yeah, or last 3 weeks of this workshop, yeah, uh, I can review, I can comment on your article drafts, yeah, one by one, yeah. So yeah, you can present your article draft, yeah, research article draft, and then I can see it, yeah, where you have to revise it. Yeah, maybe the title, the abstract, introduction. Yeah, in introduction, you have to write a literature review. Yeah, and research gap, research question. Yeah, and in the method, yeah, you just follow the format, the move and steps, yeah, that I have given you for each section of the articles. Yeah. So next week, yeah, I will talk about conclusion section. Yeah, of yeah, next week it will be uh, uh, the 8 weeks. Yeah, 8 weeks. I'll talk about conclusion section. And maybe another week, week 9, yeah, I'll talk about citation, yeah, how to cite someone's work in our articles, yeah, and a little about argument, yeah, how to argue convincingly, yeah, in our articles. Yeah, what do we mean by a argument? Yeah, in the articles. Okay, so there are three more topics. Yeah, next week is conclusion and then citation. I can combine citation and argument. It doesn't matter. So we still have 3 weeks, yeah, to discuss your articles draft. Yeah, it can be seen by other. Yeah, so by commenting, giving suggestion, or correcting one's article draft, other participant or other students can learn it too. Yeah. Okay. Is there any other student who didn't write a thesis or undergraduate thesis?
Uh, yes, sorry. For me, I have done my classroom research, but it's
Yeah.
in Thai. So should I
Yeah.
translate it or I just do based on in Thai and do my uh, article in English?
Yeah. In this semester?
No, yes, for our assignment.
Oh,
So,
okay. Yeah. Yeah.
yes, yes.
So how many subjects are you taking this semester?
For this semester, we are taking 5 subjects,
Five subjects. What are they?
and including with U6. Sorry, seven subjects.
Seven
Seven subject
subjects.
all.
Okay.
Yes.
What are they?
Okay. We have. I think our friend will help me. Some. It's about. One of them is hello psychology.
Psychology. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. What else?
psychology. Uh, and then research.
Research. Yeah.
Yes, research methodology, and also your subject.
Okay. A thesis. Is
Yes.
it right? Thesis
Yes, yes,
writing.
yes.
Yeah. What
Yes.
else?
And then what else can someone help me?
Curriculum and English curriculum development.
Okay. Curriculum and English curriculum development. Yeah.
What else? How many now?
Yeah. Oh, four already. Three more. You study it every week?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Yeah.
Assessment and evaluation.
Evaluation. Yeah. Language
Yeah.
assessment.
And what else?
Islamic knowledge.
Islamic knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Are they all in English?
Yep. All
Oh,
is in English.
Yes, sir.
all English. Yeah. Yeah. So you can do any mini research or pilot project from the subjects that you are taking this semester. So you can produce an article. Yeah, it can be an article for seminar. Yeah, seminar paper. Seminar paper is only about 3 to 4,000 words. Yeah, but the format is the same. IMRDC. Yeah, shorter introduction. Yeah, shorter method. Yeah, shorter result and discussion and conclusion. Yeah, you can write that too. Yeah, not really an article, yeah, but seminar paper. But if you prefer writing an article, yeah, a longer articles, yeah, 6,000 words, yeah, that is better. You can submit it to a journal. Yeah? You can submit it to my journal. I have two journals. Yeah, Joel Journal of Applied Linguistics and Literature, and JESP Journal of English for Specific Purposes in Indonesia. Yeah? Two journals. Okay. Is there any problems with the assignments? Yeah, you have to submit. Yeah, hang on. Okay, you have to submit the article or the assignment Yeah. At the 12, yeah, week 12. Okay. Or before that. Yeah. Okay. Is there any question or any problems? Okay.
Sorry, Prof. Yes,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
so
Please.
I'm not sure. Like some of us
Yeah.
might not have
Yeah.
done this before. Is it possible that we take someone's others thesis and then we do research article? But the thing is that I mean, for discussion section is going to be difficult, right? Because it's not come from ourselves, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. It will be.
Yes,
Or
correct.
what about you can also work together? Yeah.
Mm.
You can write an article with a friend. Yeah. Just one article for two of you. So please find a friend. Yeah. Your classmate who has written a thesis, undergraduate thesis, and use his or her thesis, yeah, to write an article. Or if you have written, if one of you in that pair, yeah, so you work in pairs, yeah. If one of you has written an article before, you can revise that article and give it to me. Yeah. So you can work in pairs, not individually. Yeah. So please find someone, yeah, with a thesis already. Yeah.
So when the deadline that we need to submit?
During the week 12. Yeah. Now is week 7, right? Is it week 7 or week 8 now?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah. About 7 or 8. Yeah. I think 7. Yeah. 7.
So the
So
article,
in the article, yeah,
yeah, the
should
article
be
it can
submit.
be, yeah, the article it can be any topic, right? It
Or
doesn't
any topic, any topic. Yes. And it must be research article. Yeah. Not review articles.
search article.
Yeah. It,
Okay.
it must come from a piece of result, a piece of research result. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We wait for a moment. Yeah. It's Azan in the mosque. Okay, yeah, I'll show you an example of discussion section. This is from my article, yeah, which is the title Promotion in Academic Discourse. Yeah, promotion. Promotion means how we promote, how we uh, make readers attractive, yeah, to our articles. So then they agree to read it. Author centrality claims in their research article introduction. This was published in 2022 in Journals of Studies about Languages, yeah, published in Lithuania, yeah, in Europe. Okay, in the discussion section, uh, which is written after the result, I don't repeat the research question. So there is no move one. Yeah, I start with move two. The result indicated that authors of article in this study used an average. So this is the result. Yeah, this is my comment. Yeah, this suggests that. Yeah, this suggests that authors are aware of the importance of appealing to or attracting readers to their research topic at the beginning of the article to encourage readers to read the whole articles. Okay, yeah. So this is my interpretation. Yeah, this is in move five. Yeah, of the discussion. So the yellow one is move two. So I don't write move three. Okay. Yeah. So this suggests this move five. And then, yeah, Wang and Yang also found similar mean. So this is a comparison. Yeah. So this is also in move five. Yeah. Wang and Yang, sorry, move four. Yeah. This move four. Yeah. So move two, move five, and move four. Yeah. This is probably because, yeah, here, yeah, this is move my interpretation or my opinion, yeah, about the possible cause, yeah, of the findings. Yeah, this is move five. Yeah, five. Yeah, and I use reference, yeah, to Abdi and Sadegis 2018, yeah, to support my idea, yeah, my claim. Yeah. Yeah. So see here, yeah, I compare my finding with the findings of other researchers, yeah, which is already published. Yeah. And this is also reference, yeah, to support my claim. So you see, yeah, this is the first paragraph in the discussion section, yeah, yeah, where I uh, present my first finding and discussion and comparison. Yeah. In the second paragraph, yeah, among the four types, this also the finding. Yeah. Still about research question number one. Okay. So here, yeah, this is a further discussion. Yeah. Yeah, about the first finding of my research. Yeah, I still use a reference in this, yeah, reference, two references, yeah, or from the same reference, yeah, Wang and Yang 2015. Yeah. And then, yeah, in the third paragraph, I compare my finding with the findings of Wang and Yang, which is different. Yeah. So it is better to find a different finding with our finding. Yeah. To show that our finding is important, is different or new. Yeah. Okay. Here. Yeah. So from the first research question, I write three paragraphs of discussion. Yeah, three paragraphs of discussion containing, yeah, the results, the interpretation, and the comparison. Yeah, using or several references. Yeah, and then this is the second research question. The second objective, yeah, or research objective. The second objective of this research is to investigate how journal ranking affects, yeah, the use of centrality claims in article introduction. Yeah, so this is move one. Yeah, move one in the rhetorical pattern of discussion section. And the green one, the result show this move two. Yeah. Okay. Then next, however, although all journals are international high impact journals, it is generally believed that this is the discussion or interpretation or explanation. Okay. Now here in this paragraph, yeah, I don't use reference. Yeah. Yeah, but I use reference after that. Yeah, one important rhetorical aspect of introduction ini, yeah, and then this is, yeah, reference. Yeah, this is to support, yeah, my finding. Yeah, so from the second research question, I only write two paragraphs. Yeah, so this is the first paragraph. Yeah, this is the first paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. Okay, so this is the example of discussion section of an article, okay, published in international reputable journals. Okay, yeah. So this is the example, yeah, how to write the discussion section. Yeah, don't repeat, yeah, what you have written in your result, yeah, for your discussion section. It is different, or they are different. Yeah, yeah. Usually, students just repeat what they have written in the result section of the article. Yeah, yeah. Or maybe they explain more about the result in the discussion, but it is not true. Yeah, it is not the right way of writing the discussion section. Okay, is there any comments or question? Okay, yeah. If no more question, yeah, we stop. Yeah, until here. Next week, yeah, we'll talk about conclusion section, and after
Sorry,
that,
Prof. I
yeah,
do have
yeah,
one more question. Sorry. I can see from your example just now, so we no need to follow the consequences, right? From move 1 to 5, because I
no, no,
saw just
no,
now
yeah,
you
yeah,
2
yeah,
and move 3, move
yeah,
5, and move
yeah,
4.
yeah, yeah. The
And
move one is
and
optional. Yeah,
sorry,
move
and
one
move
is
5,
option.
do we need to put references from move 5, our explanation?
Yeah, it is expected. Yeah, when you explain something, you give your opinion. Yeah, to be convincing, you have to use reference. Yes, references to support your opinion, your claim. Yeah, so if you have, yeah, or try to find reference to support your opinion, yeah, to discuss your findings.
Okay, okay.
And the order, yeah, can be move 4 first or move 5 first. Okay. Move 1 can be optional. Yeah, you don't have to write it, but it is better to write it. Move 2 is compulsory. Yeah, move 2, statement of results. Move 4 and 5 are also obligatory. Yeah, you have to address them. Move 6 is also optional. Move 3 is also optional. Yeah. So only 3 are compulsory moves. 2, 4, and 5. Yeah, 2, 4, and 5. You can write move 5 first and then move 4. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Or you can write move 4 first and then 5. Okay. What about the others? Is it clear? Yeah, please let me know. Yeah, if you have some problems. Yeah, if you are confused or you don't understand. Yeah, since this lecture is recorded, yeah, you can always watch it, yeah, again. Yeah. I also put the recording in my YouTube channel. Yeah, you just write my name in the YouTube channel. Yeah, you just use in the YouTube channel. Yeah, just write my name. Yeah, there are two. Yeah, there are two YouTube channel. PMPP. Yeah. So number one is just my name, and number two is Safnil LPMPP. Yeah. I usually put it in the first one under the first channel. Yeah. Okay. Please somebody take photos and then share it in the WhatsApp group. Yeah. Wow. Basri, can you take photos? Please open your camera, yeah, to take photos.
Prof,
Or Basri, or yeah, or anybody.
Prof, I want to add something here.
Yeah, yeah.
Prof,
Please.
Alhamdulillah, all the records Alhamdulillah available online. So what
Yeah.
about the first class, about teaching moves and steps? The first class that you taught us, but that was, unfortunately, we cannot record.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
will it be possible for you to teach only one class? Then we have a combination of all your lectures in one slot, something like that. I'm just asking your permission, or if you are
Yeah.
free, then other students as well, they can be benefited from that. If possible in future, only the first lecture we have missed. We could not record it because of technical
Yeah.
errors. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then
I may
like
have, yeah.
everyone can get
Yeah.
from lecture 1 until we
Yeah.
finish the whole workshop.
Yeah.
Other
Mm.
people can be benefited, not only within us. The
Yeah.
limitation would be, inshallah.
I may have the recordings, yeah, from somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
I also gave a workshop for Battambang University student in Cambodia. Yeah. I can share it, yeah, in to the students. Yeah. It's about the
Inshallah, Prof.
teaching
So,
of step and move. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Prof,
Yeah.
that would be
Who?
like we can find
Yeah.
that in YouTube, in your YouTube channel. That one?
Yeah. I'll
The
share
first.
it. I'll share the link. Yeah.
Oh, okay, Prof.
In the
Thank you,
WhatsApp
Prof.
group. Yeah. Okay.
Because some of our students, they're very interested. Second-year
Mm.
students, even they know about your workshop, but they could not
Mm.
make it this time, but they
Yeah.
wish to
Yeah.
attend and they want to watch
Okay.
online.
Yeah. So
Shukran,
one
Prof. Thank
student has to go overseas, yeah, to work. Yeah. On Sunday. Yeah.
you. Okay. Inshallah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please have a photo. Take a photo. Basri or somebody else.
Oh, okay, I will take my screenshot.
Yeah.
No, about I think
Okay.
the YouTube details
Yeah.
of YouTube. Yeah, that one.
Excuse me, do we all need to open the camera?
Yeah. Otherwise, we don't know you in the photos. Yeah. Why can't you open the camera? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. One more.
Okay, ready?
Hasana. Yeah. Hasana. Okay. Basri, have you taken the photos?
Okay, ready, guys?
Yeah, Fatin is taking.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. Okay.